Well, here we go again.
What are we going today already?
Coastal flood advisory remains in effect until
Coastal flood.
Coastal flood warning in effect from 5 p.m. to 2 p.m. Monday. For the coastal flood warning, up to 1 foot of inundation above ground level
Holy.
expected in low-lying areas due
Yo.
to tidal flooding. For the coastal flood advisory, up to 1/2 foot of inundation above ground level in low-lying areas due to tidal flooding. The areas affected include shoreline in Anne Arundel County. The hazardous weather conditions are expected for the coastal flood warning from 5 a.m. to 2 p.m. Monday, especially around the time of high tide. For the coastal flood advisory until 1 a.m. Monday, especially around the time of high tide. Impacts at 2.6 feet. Water is expected to pond in the parking lot at Annapolis City Dock, causing parking restrictions in the area. Minor shoreline inundation up to 1 foot above ground is possible elsewhere. At 3.3 feet, water is expected to come up through storm drains, approaching businesses on Duck Street in Annapolis. Water is expected to approach the Maritime Museum and begin to cover Boyer Road at the Naval Academy. Shoreline inundation up to 1 foot above ground is likely in other low-lying areas. Additional details, tides 2 to 2.5 feet above normal. The next high tide at Annapolis, United States. Naval Academy is at 9:17 p.m. this evening and 10:19 a.m. Monday morning. Take the necessary actions to protect flood-prone property. If travel is required, do not drive around barricades or through water of unknown depth.
Okay. Now shut up while I'm doing
Now for the
it.
National Weather Service marine forecast for the northern Chesapeake Bay and adjoining estuaries north of
Yes,
North
I'm
Beach.
doing it.
Rest of this afternoon, south winds 5 knots. Waves less than 1 feet. A chance of rain and snow. Visibility 1 to 3 nautical miles. Tonight, southeast winds 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot. Rain. Visibility 1 to 3 nautical miles.
Shut up. Here we go again. And we're just getting started in thunderstorm season, and this happened again. Dang. This guy didn't go off. But it's gonna soon be my, yeah.